Bro, can I be real for a second? Why do y'all treat small creators like they're nothing? They post a video, low views, maybe low quality, and instead of showing love, y'all scroll, laugh, or just ignore like they don't even exist. But you weren't born viral. You started at 0 too. You posted flops. You begged for one comment. You almost gave up. So why act like they don't deserve a chance? Some of them are editing on broken phones, cracked screens, with heart and hustle you forgot you had. Imagine, they looked up to you, hoped you'd notice. But your silence, that silence made them quit. So next time, before you scroll past a small creator trying their best, drop a like. Say, keep going. Be the reason they believe again. Because the one you ignore today might be the one who inspires the world tomorrow.